How to set up free shipping on Squarespace easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am giving you a tutorial on how to set up free shipping. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your squarespace.com and you will get to account.squarespace.com. So if you're running an online store on Squarespace and you want to set up free shipping, then it's actually really easy. First, you're going to select the store and it will take you right here. You can see we have this panel where we have pages, design, and commerce. So you have to click on commerce. And then we have the option of order, inventory, discounts, and customers. You have to scroll down a little bit to the setup. And in setup, we have our payment setup, customers, and shipping here. So we're going to select the shipping option. All right, so we have shipping options, and then we have set up a pickup option. So we're going to click on add shipping. Now we have flat rate depending on the weight, carrier calculated. Now this is going to be the shipping fee that we can add with our products. So we have flat rate depending on the weight, some carriers available. So you're going to click on flat rate right here. And once you click on a flat rate, you're going to give your option a name, and I'm going to call it free shipping, or we can also call it the standard shipping if we like. So this is going to be the formula, or we have a shipping zone as well. So if you just select 0 here, like the per order fee, and it's 0, and then we have fee per item and it's 0 again, that means it's going to be free. Free per item, and you can see fee per item, it's 0 and 0 as well. Click on save, and because it's 0, that means the shipping is going to be free. And even in the shipping zone, you're going to click on save with the 0 value, like the price is going to be 0. Once you do that, then you will be able to set up the free shipping with Squarespace. So you can just click on add shipping. You can also select depending on the weight and add like free shipping here. So this is how we do it. Similarly, what we can do is we can also create some discounts if we like. And within the discount, we again get the option of free shipping if you want to give a free shipping discount. So this is how we set up free shipping on Squarespace. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.